Elephants are fascinating creatures known for their size, intelligence, and social behavior. Here's some general information about elephants. Size and weight. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. The African bush elephant is the largest species and can reach up to 13 feet, 4 meters in height at the shoulder and weigh between 5,000 to 14,000 pounds, 2,268 to 6,350 kilograms. Asian elephants are slightly smaller, with males reaching about 9 to 10 feet, 2.7 to 3 meters, in height and weighing between 4,000 to 11,000 pounds, 1,814 to 4,990 kilograms. Trunk. Elephants have a long, muscular trunk that acts as a multi-purpose tool. The trunk is a fusion of their upper lip and nose and contains around 100,000 muscles. It is used for breathing, smelling, drinking, grabbing objects, and communication. Tusks. Some elephants, both male and female, have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth. Tusks are used for various purposes such as digging for water, stripping bark from trees, and for defense. Unfortunately, the demand for ivory has led to extensive poaching, resulting in a decline in elephant populations. Social structure. Elephants are highly social animals and live in complex family groups led by a matriarch. The matriarch is usually the oldest and most experienced female elephant who guides and makes decisions for the group. The family group consists of related females and their offspring, while adult males often live alone or in small bachelor groups. Communication. Elephants communicate through a combination of vocalizations, physical gestures, and infrasound, which are low-frequency sounds that travel long distances and are below the range of human hearing. Vocalizations include trumpeting, rumbling, roaring, and various other calls that convey different messages. Intelligence. Elephants are renowned for their intelligence and have demonstrated problem-solving abilities, tool use, and a high level of social and emotional intelligence. They have excellent memory retention and can remember specific individuals, locations, and past experiences for many years. Diet. Elephants are herbivores and primarily feed on grass, leaves, bark, twigs, fruits, and roots. They have a specialized digestive system and spend a significant portion of their day feeding to meet their dietary needs. Lifespan. Elephants have a relatively long lifespan, typically living between 60 to 70 years in the wild. Some elephants have been known to live even longer in captivity. Conservation status. Elephants are currently listed as vulnerable and endangered species, primarily due to habitat loss, poaching for ivory, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts are underway to protect elephant populations and their habitats. Cultural significance. Elephants hold cultural and religious significance in many societies around the world. They are considered symbols of wisdom, strength, and good luck in various cultures, and have been depicted in art, folklore, and religious ceremonies. These are just a few highlights about elephants, but they are truly remarkable animals with a rich and complex existence in the natural world.